What are you looking for as an early stage investor?
If you asked 100 investors, you probably get 100 slightly different answers. But in terms of the things that I'm interested in, have in mind the stage at which I'm looking. Like, it's very rare that you have revenue at that stage. You mostly don't have a product at that stage. Like, it's very hard to mitigate risk at that point. So really, like, what you're left with is a market, a product in that market, and a person. And those are the three things that I would say you're kind of, you're assessing. So in crude terms, do I think this person could execute that product? If they do, will it be worth it? Which is a market sizing assessment. It's not just, could this person be a good entrepreneur? Often you meet people who definitely could, but they're sort of working on the wrong idea. So is there what's called sort of founder market fit? Is this the right person to be solving that problem? It's quite tempting to say, and if those are 3 green lights or 3 ticks, then it's a kind of a yes. But with fundraising, everybody wants to sort of reduce it to very simple, like science, like making a cup of coffee. These are the steps, and this is how you do it. It is very complex. So whilst there are things that are generally true, it's more like how to be a good parent than how to make a cup of coffee. Whereas there are some things that are probably good advice for everybody, but that doesn't mean you're going to end up being a good parent, if that makes sense. So there's a kind of lot of like other kind of soft stuff to it. And so therefore at the very earliest stage, I think it's as much sort of art as science, because you're meeting somebody who wants to do something, and you're kind of assessing whether or not, you think that they can, what the risks might be, and whether you want to work with them.